Hello, budding programmers. Today, we're diving into the world of Python to learn about storing values in variables. Let's get started. Think of a variable as a storage box where you can keep different types of items. In Python, you can store numbers, text, and much more in these boxes. Python. Age equals 25. Name equals Alex. To create a variable, just give it a name, like age or name, and use the equals sign to store a value in it. Here, age stores the number 25, and name stores the text Alex. Python. Height equals 5.9 hash, this is a float. Is underscore student equals true hash, this is a boolean. Variables can hold different types of data. Height is a floating point number, and is underscore student is a boolean value, which means it can be either true or false. Python. Print hello, plus name plus. You are plus str age plus years old. You can use these variables in various ways. Here, we're combining the name and age variables with text to create a message. Python. Age equals 26. Print next year, you will be plus str age. The cool thing about variables is that their values aren't set in stone. You can change them, like updating age to 26. And that's the basics of variables in Python. Remember, variables are like storage boxes for your data. You can create them, change them, and use them in many different ways. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Python pro in no time. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!